Now that we have gotten the value of s at the boundary points, which is also referred to as the roots, we can now sketch the graph. We'll sketch the graph. This is your s axis and y axis. This is the origin. And then this is your point of -2. And then let's take this to be our 1/3. It means the curve, which is U-shaped, will be passing through these 2 points. So we start like this, passing through these points, and then we go. This is the sketch of the graph for that particular quadratic equation. But in the inequality sense, we are now asked to find the value of s where the graph is below the s-axis. If you notice carefully here, the graph is below the s-axis in this region. This is the s-axis. The graph is below the s-axis in this region. So our solution will be between -2 and 1/3. So therefore, we say -2 is less than s, and s is less than 1/3. This gives you the solution that is required of us as far as this case is concerned. This shaded portion is the region that is below the s-axis. We can also determine the result by alternative method. We can deduce, or we can find the answer or solution using the boundary points, as follows. We have already gotten that our s is equal to -2, or our s is equal to 1/3. So we have -2 as a boundary point. We also have 1/3 also as a boundary point. Then we have created 3 compartments. This compartment, this one, and this last one. For where we are going to find out the signs of the following factors. Where s plus 2 is a factor, and where you have s minus 1/3 as a factor. We will now determine the signs in each of these regions. So now, if our s is -2 here, we take any value below -2 to the left of -2. So let's take -3. -3 plus 2 is -1, which is positive. You write the sign there. You now take any value between -2 and 1/3. Obviously 0 is there as a value, or -1, whichever one. If s is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, which is positive. Then we now take a value that is above 1/3. Let's take maybe 1, which is greater than that. So 1 minus 1/3 will also give you a positive sign. We move on to the next one. Here we are taking -3. -3 minus 1/3 will give you a minus sign. And then we take also 2. 2 minus we take 0 here. 0 minus 1/3 will also give you a negative sign. And then, what next? We need to take a value 1. 1 minus 1/3 will give you a positive sign. Then, you find the product, s plus 2 and s minus 1/3. So we roll across. The product in terms of their signs. Plus times minus is minus, another minus, and then this is plus. Okay.